If you're looking to elevate your cocktail drinking experience, then you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this cocktail smoker kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. This here is a really nice kit that comes in this gift box here. It's got silver and gold foil lettering on there, just gives it a real premium feel. You've got a smoker here that's made out of a nice hardwood with the lighter on this side here. The lighter is easy, just push and hold the button there, and the lighter lights through your screen holder and sends your smoke down through the bottom of the hole there. You've got a nice wood base here for both your smoker box as well as your glass. They give you a couple of ice molds. Depending on what type of drink you're fixing, you may want the ice molds. And they also give you 4 reusable ice cubes here. You get a set of tongs, a cleaning brush, a manual, and 6 wood chip flavors. So you got pecan, cherry, apple, beach, pear, and oak. So I've got a swig of Jack Daniels poured into one of your glasses back here. Operating this thing is really easy. So obviously you're gonna need some butane in here. I've already put the butane in. You're gonna pull out your screen holder, insert your screen like so. Then you're gonna put your wood chips in there, whatever flavor you want to use. As you know, your wood smoke just enhances the flavor of your beverage and just gives it a different level of experience. So we've got our wood chips in the screen here now. Gonna put it into the smoker. Now the thing I like about this smoker, it's got some magnets in here, so when you slide it in, it actually kind of clicks into place. Really nice touch there. So I'm gonna put that over our glass, press and hold the button, and we got smoke. So nice smoky drink there. Obviously the wood chips is going to infuse some flavor and just gives your drink a premium drinking experience. So if you guys are looking for a nice smoker kit for infusing smoke into your cocktails, I highly recommend this cocktail smoker kit here. I hope this helps.